In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Weebly website quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to start fresh or just no longer need a site, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. We're keeping things straightforward, so let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is make your way to Weebly's main website. You'll find it by searching for Weebly online or by directly typing in the weebly.com address. Once you're on Weebly's homepage, we're going to move on to the login phase. Here you'll need to enter your email and password that are associated with your Weebly account. If you've misplaced your credentials, there are options to recover your password, so don't worry. Remember to type things carefully to avoid any inconveniences. Once you've entered your details, just hit that login button to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard interface. Now, this is where things get interesting, so pay close attention. From here, you'll want to locate the overview section. It's your central hub where various site management options are situated. Now, as you're in the overview area, direct your attention to the top menu bar where there's a drop down icon next to My Website. Clicking on this icon will present you with a list of the sites associated with your Weebly account. Find the specific site you'd like to delete and click on it. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct website, as this action cannot be easily undone. Double check if needed, as once it's gone, it's final. After selecting the site, head over to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see three little dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu you'll see the option to delete site. It's crucial to make sure you're clicking deliberately and not rushing. Misclicking could lead to other irreversible actions. After clicking delete site, the next step is confirming your action. Weebly will prompt a confirmation dialog to ensure you're certain about this decision. Read any messages that appear carefully. They're there to make sure this is truly what you want to do. Once you've affirmed your choice to delete, the process will commence and your website will be removed from Weebly. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to delete a Weebly website.